Hey guys, how's it going? How to withdraw funds from Kraken to your bank account. Basically, log in with your Kraken, of course, and go to the the arrow thing at the bottom middle, right? And click right here, withdraw crypto or cash, right? And then basically select the coin or the crypto that you want to withdraw, right? So for example, Bitcoin, right? And then basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select the minimum amount of money. Well, let's have example, okay? And then I'm gonna add new address, okay? Let's have example, I'm selecting, the Bitcoin, right? And basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add the new address, scan or paste the address and make sure it's correct, right? And basically once you put the address, you're gonna continue, right? And basically, or you can just scan the QR code for your bank account, right? And add the bank account information if you already added, and basically enter that amount, of course, and then wait for processing. Withdrawals times may vary depending on your bank and location. The easy way of doing that, you need to convert right here, click the the arrow middle, convert an asset, right, to your currency, to your local currency, okay? And let's have an example, I'm gonna let's say transfer 1 Bitcoin, right? And that means in dollars would be like $44, right? Let's have an example. I'm gonna just go ahead and convert now, right? And I'm gonna swipe to confirm that I want to transfer that Bitcoin to $1. And then, and only then, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead and click the arrow thing, right? And then just go ahead and click withdraw, okay? And then just go ahead and select the currency, which is the US dollars, right? And then enter the address, okay, by clicking the withdraw address, okay? And then basically they're gonna give you the option for the bank account, of course, and basically you gotta select the bank account, which is very limited, and then wait for the processing. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.